Hi to all of you, I'm Jason Mendoza. I would like to present the function of system unit. This is a system unit. System unit, the case that holds the main circuit boards, microprocessor, power supply, and storage device. Pa- this power supply. Power supply is supply power to a computer. Sa CPU pan. Kailangan to para hindi mag-init ang CPU. Sa CPU. Central Processing and the brain of the computer. Motherboard. Large board that contains the number inside the system unit. This video cable. This sound card. Small circuit board necessary for high quality music and sound effect. This video card, LAN card, PCI slot. Floppy disk drive reads data and write data to floppy disk. Ito yung CMOS battery. Kailangan ito para gumana sa system unit. Dito sinasaksak ang flash drive. Mga konektado ito sa lahat ng connect. These are connectors that connect all the units of CPU. Extra case fan reduce the heat that power supply to takes the CPU. Floppy disk drive. Ito ang mga wiring na nagkukonekta sa mga parte sa system unit. That's all. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Thank you.